In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Contacts to a CSV file. This is a simple and effective way to back up your contact information or transfer it to another service. By the end of this session, you will be able to export your contacts effortlessly and have them ready for any purpose you might need. Let's start by navigating to your Google Contacts. Firstly, head over to your Gmail account. Once you're there, look for the grid icon, typically situated at the top right corner of your screen. This grid icon is also known as the Google Apps menu. Clicking on it will activate a drop-down menu that displays various Google apps like Drive, Docs, Photos, and most importantly, Contacts. Next, in the drop-down menu, you'll see the Contacts icon. Click on it, and this will take you directly to your Google Contacts page. If you're already familiar with this area, you'll know that it lists all the contacts associated with your Google account. Now that we've successfully navigated to the Google Contacts page, let's proceed to the exporting phase. At the top of the contacts page, you'll find an export icon, which usually looks like a downward pointing arrow emerging from a box. This is the gateway to exporting your contacts, so go ahead and click that icon. Upon selecting the export icon, you're greeted with export settings. Here, you need to decide on the format for your export, and we're going with the Google CSV option. The CSV, or comma-separated values format, is a versatile file type that's widely accepted by many spreadsheet programs and services. Selecting Google CSV is ideal if you're keen on using these contacts with another Google account or a service compatible with Google Contacts structure. After choosing Google CSV, it's time for the final step to kick off the export. Simply click on the export button. This action will initiate the download of your Google Contacts in the CSV file format on your computer. Depending on your browser settings, you might be prompted to select a destination folder for this file. I recommend choosing a location you can easily remember for future reference. And there you have it. You've just exported your Google Contacts to a CSV file. Now your contacts are not only secure in a file format on your computer, but you're also prepared to import them into other applications as needed. This process ensures your contact information is never lost and always available when you switch to a new device or start using a new service. Feel free to repeat this process anytime you update your contacts or wish to create a fresh backup. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this step-by-step tutorial helpful.